Underpainting in a nutshell, understanding, unifying, and establishing base layers. First, look at your values that use water and light layers of ultramarine to begin. I encourage you to take whatever reference you have and convert it to black and gray. This will allow you to only look at the value systems and not worry about the colors. As you look at your values, start with ultramarine blue. And when you begin painting, you're going to notice that as you start with water layers and then you add on the blue, it will have a nice soft transition. As you begin to paint and continue to paint your values, look at the lights versus the darks. Don't worry about your texture or saturation just yet. After this point, you're going to let it dry, and then you're going to move on to what we call local color. Local color is just the general color that you see. Eventually you can dive in deeper and add in, more texture, more saturation, but local color begin with value, then your color temperature, and then your saturation levels. And you can build this. It is a process. Trust your process. Enjoy your process. And have some fun while you're painting. If you would like to see more of these, leave a comment below. Thank you, my friends, and stay creative.